Mastering the art of language. Understanding, turn a phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, particularly the phrase, turn a phrase. This expression is a gem in English language and can add a touch of elegance to your communication. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. The phrase, turn a phrase, refers to the ability to use words in a clever, creative, or elegant manner. It's often used to compliment someone who has a way with words, either in writing or speaking. This phrase celebrates the skill of expressing ideas in a way that is not only clear but also engaging and original. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us grasp their meanings better. The term, turn a phrase, likely comes from the idea of turning, or crafting, something with care and skill, much like a potter shapes clay. In English, it's used to acknowledge someone's linguistic finesse. For example, the author knows how to turn a phrase. Her descriptions are always so vivid and captivating. Let's see how turn a phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Literature. Shakespeare was a master at turning a phrase, which is why his works are still celebrated today. 2. Everyday conversation. I love listening to Emma speak. She has such a knack for turning a phrase. 3. Professional settings. The CEO's speech was remarkable. He really knows how to turn a phrase to inspire his team. To get better at turning a phrase yourself, try these tips. Read widely. Exposure to different writing styles can inspire your own use of language. Write regularly. Practice crafting sentences that are clear, concise, and engaging. Play with words. Experiment with metaphors, similes, and descriptive language to enhance your verbal and written communication. Turning a phrase is more than just a linguistic skill. It's an art form that brings beauty and clarity to communication. Whether you're writing an essay, giving a speech, or chatting with friends, remember the power of well-chosen words. Happy phrasing, and see you in our next language exploration adventure.